Hey guys, Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event is less than 2 weeks away at this point. The event will take place on January 18 and is set to begin at 3 am. The spec sheet confirms most of the previous rumored information. As per leaked, Galaxy S24 comes with beautiful 4 color black, grey, violet and yellow, and the render confirms that the Galaxy S24 look like Galaxy S23. The Galaxy S24 has a rounded corner and flat front. The back panel is flat too, and Samsung is rendering two different processor variants of the phone. The Galaxy S24 will be featuring a Exynos 2400 in some markets, include Europe. In the US and Canada, Samsung is still planning to shipment the phone with a overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with 8 GB of RAM and 120 and 256 GB storage with UFS 4.0. Samsung will equip the Galaxy S24 with a 6.2-inch AMOLED panel. It's a LTPO panel with a Full HD Plus resolution, and the other two models come with WQHD Plus display panel. However, the new phone will have a peak brightness 2500 nits, and the camera department, the phone comes with triple camera setup in the back: 50 megapixel primary shooter, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and 12 megapixel selfie camera. Out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with One UI 6.1, and the phone powered by 4000 mAh battery with 25 watt fast charging, and also support 15 watt wireless charging. And we also expect that the phone launch $800 in USA. So that's all about our video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching, and as always, see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.